Full contact rear shim for 1996 and newer Chrysler Mini-Vans. Problem: the vehicle manufacturer provides no camber and toe adjustment for the rear of the 1996 and newer Chrysler Mini-Vans. Solution: a new full contact dual angle rear wheel alignment shim system with the ability to adjust camber and toe. Inspect rear spindle mounting area for any existing alignment shims. If any shims are present, they must be removed to establish a true base reading. Record initial alignment readings. Note the camber and toe changes desired. The example used for this shim installation is on the driver's side of the vehicle and needs to be toe in plus 1/4 degrees and camber needs to be increased 5/8 degree. Note, when using Hunter engineering alignment equipment containing the Shim Select program, simply access the program by pressing the designated keys on the keypad. The Shim program will display the brand, color, template, shim size, and indexing number. A template can be printed also. If manual calculation is necessary, read down the toe change column on the left side of the chart to the amount of toe change required. From the camber change listing across top of chart, select desired amount of camber change needed, increased or decreased. Starting at the 0 degree camber listing, move left for camber increase across top of chart. Now read across camber change column and down toe change column to find reference box where two columns meet. The bold number shown in the upper left corner of each box indicates correct shim number to use. In our example, a number 3 shim is needed. The words in and out correspond to the direction the toe will change. The words left and right determine which side of vehicle you are working on. The number shown inside the box is the indexing number for the shim when locating it on the template. We have determined that the toe setting will be in or positive. Our indexing number for the shim is 200. A template is furnished with each shim. Placing shim over driver's side template, position V-notch of shim to number obtained from chart, with the tab side of shim facing towards you. Using provided paint stick, mark full length of each tab segment that corresponds to mounting bolt pattern and wheel speed sensor hole as shown on template. Mark only the first half of each tab segment as indicated by long black line across top of template. Now that the shim has been marked, we will start removing tabs corresponding to the wheel speed sensor. Using a shim cutter, cut about halfway into each tab membrane, causing it to break its full length on either side of tabs to be removed. Grasp the tabs with a shim cutter and bend downward, breaking off each tab at inner relief line. To maximize surface area and maintain integrity of shim, a 1/2 inch hole cutter may be used to bore holes in place of full tab removal for hub mounting bolts. When using this method, place the previously marked shim on a block of wood and with hole cutter installed in an air drill, position centering pilot midpoint between first relief line and center tab membrane. Using moderate pressure, drill 4 holes corresponding to hub mounting bolt pattern. Next, remove half tabs as indicated by long marked line across top of shim. Remove only outer half of each tab segment that corresponds to this marking. To accomplish this, nip only the very edge of the slots on either side of outer tab segments to be removed. This will split the membrane only to first relief line. Using a needle nose pliers and holding the shim as shown, grasp the tabs and bend downward, breaking them away. During shim installation, to prevent possible kinking of brake line, remove both brake line routing clips along axle. From backside of axle, remove rear wheel speed sensor attaching bolt. Caution: if speed sensor has seized in place due to corrosion, do not use pliers on speed sensor head in an attempt to remove it. Use a hammer and screwdriver and tap edge of sensor, rocking it from side to side until free from hub and bearing assembly. Remove hub and bearing assembly from vehicle. Clean all surfaces and install shim with tab side facing out. Replace hub and bearing mounting bolts and torque in a star pattern to 95 foot-pounds, 129 Newton meters. Replace brake line routing clips and reinstall speed sensor. Proceed with the rest of the alignment and road test the vehicle.